Ahoy, shipmates. I've been invited to Peppa Pig World at Paultons Park here in Hampshire. Someone said there were some ships that I could have a ride on. Would I like a day on the water? I said, absolutely, of course I would. First of all, we need to try and work out where these ships are. So I thought that, as a drone operator, I thought, get up high and then you'll get a good view all around. But it's not working out too well. It's not keeping still. How am I supposed to orientate myself when we keep moving round and round? Oh dear, I should be seeing my breakfast any time soon at this rate. This is more like it. This is a ship. I would imagine it's some sort of wooden Viking galley. And, oh my word, it's got a turn of speed, isn't it? It's quite impressive. How do they manage that? I'm not sure how effective those sails are, and there doesn't appear to be any mechanism of controlling the steering. Or the speed, for that matter. Let's look for something else. Oh, that's better. Water. Oh, look. Underwater dogs. I better not be friends with them, otherwise my dog Rusty will get very jealous. I bet they're looking for fish, aren't they? Rusty likes fishes as well. Right, let's see if we can orientate ourselves better. I've found this high right... Oh, this is not going well though, is it? I thought I'd get a good view from up here, but all I seem to be getting is a view of the sky, and then a view of the ground, and a view of the sky. Oh, this is useless. How is one supposed to orientate oneself in a park, you know? I mean, I did look before I came, but there were no navigational charts available, and I can't bring my GPS with me. It's just too big. So how am I supposed to orientate myself? Oh, this is terrible, isn't it? It's not going well at all. This is more like it. Again, I would say this is probably a Viking galley, probably about 1,500 years old, maybe a little older than that. It's very substantial compared to the last vessel, and my word, it's certainly taking quite evasive manoeuvres. That would be more than adequate for the Solent, I'd imagine. I'm not convinced the rigging is up to the job, though. It looks a little on the skimpy side. But that is an impressive amount of swinging ability. Not for me, that one, I don't think. Let's see what else we can find. It's a lovely looking family. Perhaps we can ask them if they know where any boat activities are. I don't know, for some reason, seeing him there with a frying pan puts me in mind of a bacon butty. This looks more like it. Decent looking model, throttle, steering wheel, and a pirate flag. I'm not sure what propulsion is, but I suspect it's probably a couple of Azipods underneath. Oh, check out the topiary. If I had a garden, that would be in my front garden. Right, I've heard there's some water-based activity here, and this looks promising. Frankly, that's quite a terrifying angle for a boat to be going down. I think that was quite fast as well. Right, this chap's really moving. Look at the wake on that. I've got no idea what the speed limit is in this poor boat. He's clearly breaking the speed limit there. That's way too fast. I don't know what he's thinking. Oh, hello. What do we have here? Looks like a cannon. Okay. Oh, it's a coin-operated cannon. Okay, so what happens here then? You put your coins in, and then... you can fire at the children. I think I know what I'm doing for the rest of the day. Right, I'm off to find some coins. Till next time, shipmates.